Pidilite Industries. It has been in consolidation for last 1.5 years. Today, or rather last Friday, it has broken out of the consolidation. Let's see what was the consolidation and how the breakout is confirmed and what is the target, what will be the stop loss and all. So this is Pidilite chart. It has been in consolidation since September 2022. Rather, it was in consolidation for quite some time now. It's almost, we can say, consolidation since we can say almost here. This is Jan 22. So Jan 22 till 2024 March. So almost 2 years and 2 months it has been in consolidation, and even more than that, which is an excellent thing. It has broken out last week. So how we can say it broke out? It has closed above the lifetime high here. A nice full candle. It has closed above the lifetime high. So this is the lifetime high which it achieved. It has closed above the lifetime high. And today it was the day one of this week. So this is a weekly chart. This is the day one of this week. It has opened in a positive way. Also, if you see, the volumes are decent in this area when it is going up as compared to previous going price movement upwards. The volumes are decent. Now, typically what happens is when it crosses and closes above the lifetime high, there will be lot of profit booking. People think that okay, it has achieved lifetime high, there is a possibility of it going down. There may be some 1 week or max 2 weeks possibility of a sideways movement here, though it has gone up with pretty much decent, like it has closed with a green candle today. So if it continues, let's say if it continues in the same path, if the breakout is clear and clean, then how far it is likely to go, we have to measure from the lowest point till the highest point. So this is the highest point to the lowest point. If we keep it here at the point of breakout, then as per the breakout theory, it is likely to reach till 3625. This is on a weekly chart. Now let's see what Ichimoku's indicator is telling us. Is all 5 indicators, all 5 signals within Ichimoku, are they giving us the green signal? Let's see. Yes, as per Ichimoku indicator, all 5 indicators, all 5 lines in Ichimoku indicator are telling us it's a positive breakout. It is a bullish breakout. So again we get a confirmation of the price reaching to a target of 3624 in coming days. How many days it might take? Since it was consolidating for almost 2 years, or at least in this triangle for 1.5 years, we can say the likelihood, the chances of reaching to the target is 6 months minimum. 6 to 8 months, I would say, it would reach to the target. Now, if you want to take a stop loss, what should be our stop loss? We should be having a trailing stop loss of this chart. If we are going purely basis the triangle, then 50% of the rectangle. If we are going purely basis rectangle, let's say approximately this much. So 375 points trailing. We can trail as it goes. So let's say it is here. So our stop would be somewhere here. If it goes up, we can just move this arrow, 375 point arrow, and trail it. So the stop, if it comes back, closes, Let's say if it reaches there, if it closes, comes back in between any time, you can exit. If it falls, buy 375 point from its stop. If you know Ichimoku signal gives very clean and clear levels for trailing and exiting, and there are very clear rules to exit, which I explain in detail in my masterclass. Thank you so much for watching today's video. This is an educational video. This is not any trading advice. Please learn how to trade, observe. Once you gain confidence, then you put the actual money in trading. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for watching today. See you with new video on a new day. Thank you.